Your chin up, elbows out, more out. Okay, get your chest more up. Okay, good. Stand up on the bike, stand up, and then get your chest up, but like your hip little bit over your bottom bracket. Your hip over your bottom bracket. I know it's a bit hard, so what I'm asking you to do is like chest more up, but your hip over the bottom bracket, just like this. Like this, right? This? Not too bent like that, or not too straight, but just nice and round like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Start pedaling really neutral and chin up. Okay. Chin up, elbows out, and really neutral centered position. Okay, try it. Okay, chin up, good. Okay. As you pedal, you try to get it more neutral. Get left and right really even. Awesome. Yeah, keep going. Chin up, arms out. Okay, so do you have better understanding of more neutral now? Yeah, it's not too far back or not like too far forward. It's just in the middle, and then you want to be standing above this bottom bracket. Okay, so maybe do a loop. Okay. Once or twice, okay. And remember about the really neutral position, having that weight on the bottom bracket, okay. and then really think it through, and then like be really loose. Don't go too fast. All right. Right, just comfortable speed, comfortable, relaxed speed. If you in order for your hand to be really loose, you need to have all your weight on the pedal. Okay. That's basically the concept. That's basically, if you know how to do that, you will be an excellent biker. Okay. Amazing biker.